Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A couple of things that you're going to want to get out of the toolbox before you get started on this one are a 10 and a 17mm spanner and or socket, a 4, 6 and 8mm Allen key. I've got the T-handles here, but obviously you can use a normal one as well. And then lastly, your heat seal paste for the exhaust itself. Basically getting started here, you want to use your 4mm to take the stock heat shield off of the exhaust. Pretty tight, so you're going to have to put a bit of torque on there to pull it off, and you'll put this one aside because you will be using it again later on. From here, you're going to want to take your 6mm and use that to undo the stock clamp on the exhaust that connects it to the cap pipe, I suppose. Then you take your 8mm Allen key, put a 17 on the back end of it, and slowly loosen that up. Once again, fair bit of torque in there, so you're going to want to use this spanner on the back end to put in most of the work, and then just holding the bolt with the 8mm Allen key. Once you've got that loosened off, then you can just slip off the stock pipe. It comes off pretty easily. One thing you want to make sure you're doing with this process, I've seen a couple of guys do it a little bit sloppy. You want to try and get this rubber over the edges nicely, because that's going to help keep things from moving around, but it also just prevents you from scratching anything when you're installing this sort of stuff. A little bit fiddly, but yeah, we'll put it on and then see how we go. So, as you can see, seat it up nicely. We'll just slip that over the exhaust and then clamp her up. Now, the kit does actually include a new bolt. It's very similar to the OG, but obviously a little bit longer. Has a bit of a spacer in there as well for the new clamp, because it's a bit different in size to the other one. But yeah, you can keep that one, use it somewhere else, or yeah, just turf it. So, as you can see, it comes with some instructions as to how you do it. Basically, you got your main bolt, little dome type washer, spacer at the back, big washer, and then into the nut. Basically, what you want to do before tightening, you need these clamps up, keep everything loose, move it around, see what works, and then tighten it up. some people might differ in opinion to me here, but I've seen a lot of guys twist the clamps around to the other side. You lose a fair amount of clearance between the swing arm and this clamp, so I'm just going to keep it down this way. Maybe it doesn't look the best, but I'd rather be able to see the nut than to scratch my swing arm. One thing I didn't sort of show you in the video there was the application of the heat paste, which is pretty straightforward. Just put it on evenly, slide your pipes on, wipe off the excess, and then run a bit of heat into it to help it cure. Alrighty, so that's it for the install video. Pretty easy, you know, maybe 15 minutes to install it. That's from getting it out of the box, sort of understanding how it needs to go on, and to what you see right here. I'll quickly start it up, but I'll do another video to compare the sound of different systems. Well, most likely, I mean, everyone sort of knows what they sound like stock. I'll probably just do one with a dB killer, one without, and I'll do that somewhere where I'm not going to cause too much noise. I'm just in my garage at home. But yeah, I'll start